Hello, UNV 101 students. Welcome to UNV 101. This is the first screencast that you will probably watch. And Monday, it's time to start going to classes, which is a little bit strange when you have remote classes. So we wanted to make sure everybody was very comfortable knowing how to go to class for UNV 101. So on my screen, I have, it's actually my daughter, but I have my daughter's Canvas dashboard up. And this is what it looks like. And if I scroll down, I've added her to be a member of this UNV 101 section. All right, so from the dashboard, I can scroll down and her first class meeting, right? It's going to be on Wednesday. And right here, this is a Zoom online meeting. I can click right here, and that's going to take me right into Zoom. Okay, click the Zoom link right there. So that's one way I can do it, but I want to show you other ways. You can also go straight into your course. So I click courses here, and I go into UNV 101. All right, and a couple different things I can do here. So if I click this link right here, all right, that is going to take me into a meeting. All right, so that is one way to do it. It's going to open in a new window. If I come over here, August 19th, 10:05, I can click right there. It'll take me to the calendar. And in the calendar, there's another link to a Zoom meeting, okay? And that will take you into the right meeting. And finally, let me go back to, make sure I get back to the right file. All right, I need to go back into my course. All right, and if you go into modules, right, you can see that the instructor has a Zoom link right here for you. And again, you can click on that link because this is the first module. Welcome to Miami Regionals and UNV 101. So in any case, I would make sure that you start trying to get into your Zoom meeting about 15 minutes before class is supposed to start. If you've already had some Zoom classes before you have UNV 101, then it's probably not going to take you that long. But if it's your first Zoom meeting, you'll want to give yourself some time in case you need to download an app onto your computer. And it's pretty straightforward how to do that. If you have any trouble whatsoever, please make sure you reach out to your instructor. Don't assume that everybody's going to be angry or anything like that. We're here to help you, so just let us know what we can do. Thanks a lot. Looking forward to seeing you guys next week.